everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy to have you here today.
Oh yes, this one's special. We've prepared something amazing for all of you English learners out there.
That's right. We've created 200 daily English conversations, real, natural, and fun ones you can use every single day.
Each one will help you sound more confident, more fluent, and more natural in English.
Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, these phrases will boost your speaking skills fast.
So stay tuned, listen carefully, and practice along with us till the end.
Ready? Let's get started and make your English shine.
Let's go! How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up too late.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7 this morning.
Have you had breakfast yet?
Yes, I had some toast and coffee.
What are you doing today?
Just working from home.
Do you like working from home?
Sometimes, but it can get boring.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny, but a little windy.
Are you free this evening?
Yeah, I think so. Why?
Want to grab dinner together?
Sounds great.
What kind of food do you like?
Anything spicy, really.
Do you cook often?
Not much. I'm too lazy sometimes.
What's your favorite drink?
I'd say iced coffee.
Did you watch that new movie?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really funny.
Then I'll watch it tonight.
Do you like reading books?
Sometimes, mostly before bed.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly self-help or travel books.
How do you usually spend weekends?
I go hiking or just rest at home.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a cat named Milo.
That's cute. How old is he?
He's 3 years old.
Do you like mornings or nights?
Nights for sure.
Are you an early riser?
Not at all. I love sleeping in.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week, usually.
What kind of exercise do you do?
Mostly jogging and yoga.
Do you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, always.
How do you take your coffee?
Black, no sugar.
What's your favorite season?
Spring. It feels fresh and calm.
Do you like rain?
Only when I'm not outside.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around midnight.
Do you check your phone before bed?
Unfortunately, yes.
What time is it now?
It's 10:30.
Are you hungry?
A little bit. Let's get something to eat.
Do you like spicy food?
Love it.
How's your family?
They're doing great. Thanks for asking.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one younger sister.
Where does she live?
She lives in New York.
Do you visit her often?
Not as much as I'd like to.
What time do you start work?
Usually at 9.
How long is your lunch break?
1 hour.
Do you eat out or bring lunch?
I usually bring my own.
That's healthy. What do you bring?
Mostly salad or rice with veggies.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Do you listen to music on the bus?
Always. It makes the ride faster.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop and soft rock, mostly.
Can you play any instruments?
Yeah, I play a little guitar.
Wow, since when?
Since high school.
Do you sing too?
Only when no one's around.
Ha ha ha, same here.
Good to know I'm not alone.
What do you usually do after work?
I watch shows or go for a walk.
Do you like long walks?
Yeah, they clear my head.
Do you drive to work sometimes?
Only when it rains.
Do you enjoy driving?
Yeah, as long as there's no traffic.
What kind of car do you have?
A small silver sedan.
Is it new?
Not really. It's about 5 years old.
Do you like traveling?
I love it.
What's your favorite country?
Japan. It's so clean and organized.
Have you been there?
Not yet, but I really want to go.
Do you like flying?
It's okay, but I hate long flights.
What do you usually pack first?
My charger and toothbrush.
Do you take photos when you travel?
Always. That's the best part.
Do you post them online?
Just a few. I'm not that active.
Are you on Instagram?
Yeah, but I rarely use it.
Do you like social media?
It's fun, but it wastes time.
How much time do you spend on your phone daily?
Probably too much.
What app do you use most?
YouTube, for sure.
What do you watch there?
Mostly tech and travel videos.
Do you watch English learning videos?
Sometimes they help me improve.
What's the best way to learn English?
Just speak every day, even if you make mistakes.
That's true. Do you practice often?
I try to talk with native speakers online.
Do you use any English apps?
Yeah, Duolingo and Youglish.
How long do you study each day?
Around 30 minutes.
Do you prefer reading or listening?
Listening, it feels more natural.
Do you watch movies with subtitles?
At first, yes. Now I try without them.
That's a good way to learn.
Yeah, it really helps with vocabulary.
Do you ever forget new words?
All the time. I have to review them.
How do you remember vocabulary?
I use flashcards and write short sentences.
Do you like group classes or self-study?
Self-study. I like learning at my own pace.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yeah, especially when I'm cooking.
What kind of podcasts?
English learning and motivation ones.
Do you cook every day?
Almost. It saves money and tastes better.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Pasta with vegetables.
Do you eat fast food often?
Not really. Maybe once a week.
What's your go-to snack?
Chips or fruit. Depends on my mood.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, I can't say no to cake.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate. Always.
Do you like ice cream?
Who doesn't?
How do you relax after a long day?
I listen to music or take a hot shower.
Do you meditate?
I've tried. It's harder than it looks.
How often do you check your email?
Too many times a day.
Do you use your phone for work?
Yeah, for messages and calls mostly.
Do you prefer texts or calls?
Texts. They're faster.
Do you get many calls?
Not really, only from family.
Do you like surprises?
Depends on the surprise.
Have you ever forgotten someone's birthday?
Sadly, yes. Once or twice.
Do you give gifts often?
Only on special days.
Do you like getting gifts?
Of course. Who doesn't?
What kind of gifts do you prefer?
Something useful, not just pretty.
Do you celebrate New Year's Eve?
Always. I love watching fireworks.
Do you make New Year resolutions?
I do, but I rarely keep them.
Same here.
At least we try.
What's your morning routine like?
I wake up, shower, and make coffee first thing.
Do you check your phone right away?
Yeah, bad habit, I know.
Do you make your bed every day?
Only when I remember.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Always. It wakes me up.
What time do you leave home?
Around 8:30?
Do you eat breakfast or skip it?
I never skip it. It keeps me going.
Do you drink water right after waking up?
Yeah, a full glass. It feels refreshing.
Do you read the news?
Just headlines online.
Do you follow sports?
A little, mostly soccer.
Who's your favorite team?
Barcelona. Been a fan for years.
Do you watch games live?
Only big ones.
Do you play any sports yourself?
I play basketball sometimes.
How often do you play?
Every weekend if I can.
Do you go to the gym?
Yeah, twice a week.
Do you work out alone?
Usually. I focus better that way.
What's your favorite workout?
Weight training.
Do you stretch after workouts?
I try to. It helps a lot.
Do you drink protein shakes?
Sometimes after the gym.
Do you count calories?
Nope. I just eat balanced meals.
Do you prefer healthy food?
Most of the time, yes.
Do you like vegetables?
Only when they're cooked well.
Do you eat breakfast alone?
Usually, yeah. It's quiet time.
Do you watch TV while eating?
Only during dinner.
Do you watch the news?
Rarely. It's too negative.
Do you like comedy shows?
I love them. They help me relax.
What's your favorite show?
Friends, it never gets old.
Do you watch TV or Netflix more?
Definitely Netflix.
Do you binge watch shows?
Sometimes on weekends.
Do you use subtitles in English?
Yes, it helps me catch new phrases.
What phrase did you learn recently?
Piece of cake. It means easy.
Nice. Do you use idioms often?
I try to sound natural.
What's another idiom you like?
Break a leg. It's fun to say.
Do you like learning slang?
Yeah, it helps with real conversations.
What's one slang word you use often?
Cool. It fits everything.
Do you use emojis a lot?
Guilty. They make messages friendly.
What's your most used emoji?
The laughing face, for sure.
Do you text fast?
Yeah, I type pretty quickly.
Do you use voice messages?
Only when I'm too lazy to type.
Do you call friends often?
Maybe once or twice a week.
How do you keep in touch with old friends?
Mostly through social media.
Do you meet them in person?
When time allows.
Do you like parties?
Small ones, not crowded ones.
Do you dance at parties?
Only if the music's good.
Do you drink alcohol?
Just a little on weekends.
Do you prefer wine or beer?
Beer, it's easier to drink.
Do you go out on Fridays?
Sometimes, if I'm not too tired.
Do you stay up late on weekends?
Always. I enjoy quiet nights.
Do you sleep in on Sundays?
Definitely. My favorite part of the week.
Do you cook special food on weekends?
Yeah, I like trying new recipes.
Do you clean your room often?
Only when I can't find things anymore.
Do you like doing laundry?
Not really, but it has to be done.
Do you iron your clothes?
Only for work shirts.
Do you fold your clothes right away?
Nope, they stay on the chair for days.
Do you keep your room tidy?
I try, but it gets messy fast.
Do you like cleaning?
It's boring, but I love the result.
Do you vacuum often?
Every weekend.
Do you wash the dishes right after eating?
Sometimes. Depends on my mood.
Do you like organizing things?
Yeah, when I'm in the mood for it.
Do you throw away old stuff?
I should, but I keep too much.
Do you like decorating your room?
A little. I keep it simple.
Do you have plants at home?
Yeah, 2 small ones.
Do you take care of them yourself?
Of course, they're my green buddies.
Do you open the windows every morning?
Always. Fresh air helps me wake up.
Do you enjoy sunny days?
Definitely. They lift my mood.
Do you like cloudy weather?
Sometimes. It's cozy.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer, for sure.
Do you like snow?
Only when I don't have to drive in it.
Do you travel during holidays?
Usually, yes. I like short trips.
Do you plan trips early?
No, I'm more of a last-minute planner.
Do you pack light or heavy?
Light. I hate carrying big bags.
Do you bring souvenirs?
Sometimes, small things like magnets.
Do you take photos or videos?
Mostly photos. They're easier to share.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, the sound of waves is perfect.
Do you swim well?
Not really, but I can float.
Do you enjoy hiking?
I love it. Fresh air and quiet views.
Do you like camping?
Only if it's not too cold.
Do you like city life or nature?
Nature. Any day.
Do you enjoy staying home?
Yeah, I'm kind of a homebody.
Do you read before bed?
Sometimes. It helps me fall asleep.
Do you use your phone in bed?
Sadly, yes. I'm trying to stop.
Do you sleep with the lights off?
Completely dark. Always.
Do you sleep with your phone nearby?
Right next to me. Bad habit.
How many hours do you sleep?
Around 6 or 7.
Do you take naps during the day?
Only on weekends.
Do you dream often?
Yeah, and sometimes they're weird.
Do you remember your dreams?
Only for a few minutes after waking up.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Just my phone alarm.
Do you snooze your alarm?
Every single day.
Do you wake up easily?
Not at all. I need coffee first.
Do you take cold showers?
No way. I like 'em warm.
Do you check the weather every day?
Yeah, before leaving home.
Do you take public transportation often?
Yes, it's easier than driving.
Do you like walking to places?
If it's not too far, sure.
Do you ever get lost?
Sometimes, but I use Google Maps.
Do you like trying new things?
Always. Life's too short to repeat everything.
Do you speak any other languages?
A little Spanish. Still learning.
Do you want to learn more languages?
Yeah, maybe French next.
Do you like helping others learn English?
Sure, it's fun to share tips.
Do you believe practice makes perfect?
Absolutely. No other way to improve.
Do you want to keep practicing together?
Of course, it's more fun with you.
Wow, that was awesome! You made it through all 200 daily conversations?
Seriously, give yourself a big round of applause. You're not just learning English, you're living it now.
Every word you've practiced brings you one step closer to sounding natural and confident.
Don't stop here. Keep repeating, keep speaking, and watch your English take off.
And remember, you've got this. Every small step counts.
We believe in you, so stay with us, keep learning, and let's grow together.
If you enjoyed this journey, hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends.
Your English future is bright. Shine on.
See you in the next video.